satellite separated.
And there is a confirmation that the Exposat satellite has been separated.
जी हाँ, इसकी पुष्टि हो चुकी है रेंज ऑपरेशन
This is
डायरेक्टर
Range
द्वारा।
Operation Director.
एक्सपोसैट
PSLV
को
C2PH
सफलतापूर्वक
mission accomplished
अंतक्षेपित
with
कर
respect to
दिया गया है।
Exposat satellite separation. But mission is continuing for PS4 orbit platform experiment, that is POEM-3, with 2 phases of 4-stage restart. After 2 phases of restart, PS4 stage orbit will be changed to 350 km circular. The first phase for PS4 restart happens in non-visibility period. The second phase of PS4 restart takes place in the visibility period of Trivandrum in orbit 2. During the non-availability period, ground trace will be updated by extrapolation on the video wall. The non-visibility period is approximately 4,500 seconds. All the stations involved in operation shall continue in positions. Handing over to Mission Director.